Okay. Good evening, sir. Can you give us a brief intro about yourself?
Yes, my name is Johnsun, and I have been doing the business with India for nearly about 10 years. Mainly, I'm doing the business in the automobile business, and also some stainless steel products also. And for the automobile parts, actually in these lines from the 2006, I'm coming here with some spare parts I supply to the Tata Motors, and also I got the experience for this business I supply to the aftermarket. And since I have visited India from the north part of the India to south part of India, I have visited nearly around about 20 cities, and I got great experience in India. So what I feel from last 10 years, in India, the main business is for the trading. So most of the Indian companies, they come to China mostly for these importers. They are coming to China for buying the goods and selling to the distributing in the Indian markets. But right now, there's trading. They are facing little bit some problems for the this exchange rate, and also for the price competitions in the market. So that's why the economy in the market is becoming very slow. So what I should suggest now is the right time for India to grow the business of the manufacturing itself. And in India, actually, for the manufacturing, they don't get the some technologies, and so it's the right time for them to collaborate with the Chinese companies in these industries, like automobile parts. They are in my city is the capital city for the auto parts, and we have nearly about 30,000 companies which is making the auto parts. And I'm also the executive director for the automobile associations. So I get the good links with all the automobile companies. So if any of the people from in automobile lines would like to have some collaboration, would interest in the business in the manufacturing in India, I can give the proposals and we can visit each factories, and they can make the collaborations each other in India. So it would be the great time for them to come here to make a business and bring the opportunities for other India companies and the investors. And so by this way, this will grow the business and change the economic situations, and also there will be less competitions, and by this way, this will also grow the GDP of the India, especially in these lines. So this is just example for the auto parts, and also for some other industries, it will also be the same. So actually, I would like to move my factory also from China to India, and I think it's the right time. But I should set up samples and for the Chinese company to come here, and we should make good samples for them, and then if my factory can become successful, so most of the companies will come here, they will invest here, and I can do this job.
Wishing you all the very best. May you inspire millions of other Chinese companies to come to India.
Yes, it's the right time, and it's the right opportunities for both of our companies between China and